Another banger. Another banger. I have my bag here. So let's get into the makeup. Obviously, we are starting with our primer. And today's primer, I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte. Rimmel London Stay Matte. Like this. Brow Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim, and it is ultra slim. Every time I feel in my brows, I always feel like I microbladed it. I don't know why. Does it look like all those microbladed brows? Tell me. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, so what's next? I want to clean up my brows, but I'm going straight to my foundation. The foundation is next. Okay, so I just went in with my color corrector. That's what they call it. Your corrector concealer, because you know I have dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and look, it's my outfit. So now it's foundation time, and I'm still using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm just trying to be fast, and I'm always scared of pouring this thing out because it's a tube and it's very liquid. I don't want it to like pour on me. Okay. I'm always pouring it into the container. You know what? I'm just going to pour it on my makeup sponge. Yeah, as better. And I'm doing it into my face. Guys, I don't put any foundation here, but there's foundation here. Can you tell the difference? Can you? Next is my Elegel Pro Conceal in Fawn, just like the good old days. Okay, just letting that dry down a bit. So now it's powder time. When it comes to this powder, you need to be careful. It is super pigmented. Okay, I'm going to place it on my makeup sponge. Now to my hand. Okay, as much as possible. And then my face. Okay, still with my hand, just wiggling it everywhere on my hand. Now, still on my powder, I'm going in with this brush now, still with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Dusting off the excess. Okay, still dusting off the excess and just right underneath here. Time to set my concealer. I have my palette here and I'll be using this particular shade. Powder smells nice. Smells like baby powder. Okay. Just setting it. I believe you can see this now. It's cute. Still on the concealer powder, you know I'm going into my eyes. That same shade. all over my eyes. My eyes. Face powder, Milani. So this is something I like to do. I'll be going in with my makeup spray after powdering my face. I'll let it dry down and then I'll apply my powder again. Let me put on my phone. Yes. Now that that is all dried down, going back to my powder and just setting my face once more. At this point, I've cleared off the contour. Is there a difference? Is there a difference? Is there a difference now? Is there a difference now? Hmm? Hmm? Oh my god. So I applied my lash off camera. No. And now to our lips. My lips is actually moist. I have lip balm on my lips. Okay, so I'll go in with my brown lip liner. Rise and fall. Nude lip stick. But it is not nude though. It's actually nudish pink. Love, 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 love. It's giving. You guys are true. Is there any other thing